If you are a language teacher and you're looking for a way to support World Pride or Pride Month this June, you might want to think about the option that your students have to create subtitles for different YouTube videos. So, Vice YouTube channel has created this video on the significance of queer representation in the media. So how would I go about actually submitting subtitles? If I come over here to the gear and I click subtitles, I come up to add subtitles and I select the language. And there's many languages here, so if I selected English to get started, I have a number of boxes that come up for me to add in the subtitles from each different section of the video itself. So a video like this one that's 8 minutes, maybe that's something that actually even you can have students do in small groups, and then they would submit the contribution. So I think that would be a great way for languages to support what's happening for World Pride and to make resources like this readily available in a number of different languages. Thanks for considering.